and welcome to my channel. I'm Hopy, and today I'm gonna transform myself into KDA's Akali. Let's go! I'm starting with adding some light blue contacts. Then we're moving directly into the base. I'm using a liquid and sheer foundation to even out my skin tone. Make sure to blend it in well. I'm using a more pink tone concealer first to color correct my dark circles. I'm using a second concealer that matches my skin tone better to highlight and cover redness. I'm using my ring finger to dab it in. Not ready for the mirror yet. Anyway, it's powder time. Just add a light layer of powder to set the base. Okay, time for a little contouring. I'm using a beige colored eyeshadow to contour my nose. Depending on your own nose shape, decide how much you should contour. We just want the illusion of a smaller and taller nose. With a cream colored eyeshadow, I'm highlighting the nose bridge. Blend it in so there are no hard edges. Add a little under the brow bone as well. Now give me them slim cheekbones. I'm using the brownish blush first to contour the cheekbones. I'm using more dense brush to get more impact. Remember to follow your face shape and not do a straight line. Round it off with the excess product under your jaw. With a bigger and fluffy brush, I'm lightly adding the pink blush for a fresh look. Alright, on to the brows. I'm using a reddish-brown eyeshadow for Akali's brows. She has a bit more arched shape, so I'm trying to arch my brows more. If your brow hairs don't match in color, use a brow gel to color the hairs separately. It will also give more volume to your brows. Okay, we're ready for eyes. Prime your eyes. Here I'm using an ashy purple base. First color is a soft beige pink tone for a crease. I'm using it mostly to blend the transition. Then it's time for some serious pink action. Add the pink to the outer lid, under the crease, and blend it towards the center. Also add it to the lower outer lid. Use a denser brush to get the color more vivid. We're gonna add some drama with a dark purple matte shade. Use a dense small brush and make it smoky from the lower lid close to the lash line and blend it out in a soft cat-eyed shape. Drag it to the upper lash line. Don't worry if it's messy. With a more metallic smoky purple, I'm using a blending brush to blend the transition from the dark purple to the pink. Be patient and do soft strokes. You can always go back with the pink eyeshadow and blend out the edges. No pop stars without glitter. I'm adding a shimmery pinkish eyeshadow to the inner corner. Akali has sleek, nice cat eye eyeliner, so that's what we're gonna do. Sharp enough to cut down some enemies. So for the waterline, I'm using a white eyeliner to brighten up the eye. You can also use a black for extra drama and intensity. I actually did that in the later look when wearing the mask. Okay, so quickly add your favorite volume mascara and then smack on some lashes. I went for a more K-pop eye look than big anime eyes, so no overdramatic lashes here. Closing in on last touches. I never skip highlight, especially not for pop stars. I'm highlighting the top of my cheekbones, cupid's bow, and nose. Last step now. We want a soft Asian tinted lip look, so I'm using a peachy lip tint and add it to the center of the lips. Use your finger to blend the color softly to the edges of the lips, but keep the center most concentrated in color. Oh yay, that was it! So let's add the costume. So there was the look. I hope you liked it. Wow, a wild portal appeared. Another one? Where did all this come from? My cap? What is this? A Timo hat? Well, I guess it's not so bad. Whoa! Oh, it's Annie's bear. Oh, and Lulu's cupcake. Okay, so thank you if you watched this far. Have you been hooked on K-pop pop stars as well? I have for sure. It even made me go back trying League again, and I'm getting pretty good if I could say so. Just look at that. Victory! Don't look at that. It's totally not a YouTube stream. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. GG!